Imagine if launching a satellite was as simple as booking a flight. For years, satellite launches have been controlled by government agencies, making them expensive and limited. But what if even a small startup could access satellite launches, that too affordably and on demand? That's exactly what Skyroot Aerospace is making possible. Welcome to Inside Startups by Ascendance, where we uncover the boldest innovations shaping the future. Today we are exploring how Skyroot Aerospace is pioneering private space travel in India. The global space industry is worth over $500 billion, and demand for satellite launches is skyrocketing. But launching a satellite still remains a logistical nightmare due to long wait times, high costs, and limited launch providers. Due to this gap, India's space sector, once entirely run by ISRO, is now opening up to private players. And leading the transformation is Skyroot Aerospace. Founded in 2018 by former ISRO scientists Pawan Kumar Chandana and Nagabharat Dhaka, Skyroot was created with the vision to make spaceflight as accessible as air travel. In November 2022, they became the first private Indian company to launch a rocket, Vikram S, marking a historic shift for India's space industry. The Vikram series of rockets, named after Vikram Sarabhai, are designed for quick, cost-effective satellite launches. They use 3D printed engines and carbon fiber structures to reduce costs and launch times. Traditionally, businesses could only launch satellites when enough payloads were ready, leading to long wait lists and high costs. Companies had to wait for months or even years for a shared launch, making the process slow and expensive. Skyroot Aerospace can completely change the game with on-demand modular launches, allowing satellites to be deployed quickly and affordably without the wait. This efficiency has attracted major investors, with Skyroot raising nearly $100 million, making it India's most well-funded private space startup. But why is this so important for India and our future? Imagine the possibilities if satellite launches become truly accessible. Small startups could enter the space industries using real-time satellite data to drive innovation. From climate monitoring to sustainable farming and disaster management, easier access to space could transform entire industries, making technology more efficient, responsive, and impactful for the world. Skyroot is proving that space is no longer a government monopoly. It's a market, and startups like this are making it more accessible than ever. The space race is evolving, and startups like Skyroot Aerospace are leading the charge. For more game-changing stories, subscribe to Ascendance and stay ahead of the next big revolution. See you in the next episode.